Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and Shadab. Welcome to Lens English. I am Huraira Habib speaking in front of you. Graduate 2024 Manhattan Alushka School and College at Madanaga. My friend, today my assigned topic is 4.4.3, and today at first, before starting my activity presentation, I want some information about our activity or PI. And my friend, do you know that there were 78 pairs for summative assessment in 1 to 5, and there were 78 pairs we have to complete only 15 PI. Then we have to, my friends, you know that PI means performance indicator, and every PI indicates a particular activity or PI. So ladies and gentlemen, now we wanted to perform about our activity 4.4.3. Now at first I read out this work. This work is, let's do a project work in groups of 4 to 6, follow the guidelines to complete the work. My friends, I wanted to perform to Bangla for your better understanding. And 4 থেকে 6 জন দলের একটা প্রজেক্ট ওয়ার্ক করি, কাজটি করার সময় দিক নির্দেশনাগুলো অনুসরণ করি. So here I can see guidelines for you and us. So in list are the household chores usually the family's member do. You can list them in the following way, add as many rows as you need. So I can see this column and household chores and it's done by my friend. Generally not all my family but also all over the families household maintains in my mother and our mother. So generally also father, me, mother, brother, sister, but generally household means my father, my mother. And here I can see number 1 cooking, it is done by father and mother, and second is washing clothes, it is done by my father and me, and serving foods is done by me and my father, and cleaning plates it is done by my mother and me, and mopping floor it is done by my mother, only my mother, not my father, brother and sister or me. And then dusting furniture it is done by my mother, my father and me also. So friends, this is about my information, no more today. At last I say that I have given some information as possible as you know about this activity, and if I any mistake in this deliberation, please pardon me. Allah Hafiz, Assalamu Alaikum and Shadab.